as well as we hoped for. So we tried Notepad Plus, and that didn't have as many shortcuts as we would like to make our typing faster.
Plus.
Then, yes, Notepad Plus. But then the visual bit, when we type, when typing, visual is a very important key, and so I tried looking at different softwares, and then Sublime Text 2 came up, and that was easy for me to type and to identify what part of the program does what.
For the record, look up Atom.
Huh?
ATOM, Atom.
Thank you, sir. I will look that up. So we use the parameters to find them. Okay, so for round one, we plan on landing on the round one is just basically landing on one target, and we plan on landing on the highest target, which is plus 25 or negative 25, because since they're the highest, there's an automatic tie or win in that round. For round two, we plan on landing the second highest, well, the plus or minus 25, plus or minus 15, and the other plus or minus 15 in order to get the highest amount of points in that round. And for I explained round two. Round three, basically, we round two was the polygon randomizer, and we plan on doing the large rectangle because that scores the most amount of points. So for teamwork, we believe that teamwork is making progress with other people, because in order to have good teamwork, you have to work good together. And these are some terms that we learned during the competition. For ground control station, that's going to be the one that we're going to use during mining. The miner's not going to follow the drone around, or else there's no point in it. So we're going to have a ground control station and a crew resource network.
All right, I'm going to stop you all there because I do want to go to some certain points. Do you have a troubleshooting plan on this?
Yes.
Can you go back that real quick and let us take a look? All right, thank you.
Yeah, because I noticed earlier you had somewhere in the presentation, urgently fix problems. I was just wondering how you guys are going to do that. Thank you, guys.
And there we go. So thank you, appreciate that. So do you have any costs that you were looking at with your business plan?
Cost, yes.
I think it's the other way, guys.
Yes.
There's a lot of
What
stuff.
program is this, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, so cost
Like, what?
for a three-person team, where it's going to cost about $75 each per hour. So we're having $200 total for a tri-team. And for the drone, we're going with the Maverick drone because it has high sustainability, and it's just extremely strong. So that's going to cost $4,000. And for networking, we plan on doing 500 as a minimum. But more opportunities come up, we plan on going more into networking this week to get our drone out there. And our debt, we plan our debt to be sustainably high. We're not sure at the moment since we don't know how our drone would do.
Well, none of you are 21, right? I was going to say, like, if you work in the clubs as a bartender, you can make a lot of money, and that would like really help you with that debt. But
Sustain your teammate for a while.
We're kind of working side jobs as the time goes.
I noticed that. I like that.
Did you guys have some kind of you said your engineering notebook was in the presentation somewhere? Is
Yes,
there pages on
we
that?
have an online engineering journal. We have an online and a
On
real
our website.
So it's
On
the
your
blog.
website.
So
Yes, I have both sides.
so here's our virtual engineering journal. See, that's a.
Can you scroll through it pretty fast?
Well, yes.
Literally scroll through.
On each of the posts, we have a lot more information. We did one about every month to summarize the entire month.
Okay. One minute.
Is there anything else that you guys?
Can you just show me a little bit more what's on this site? Do you have like job duties of
Yeah, yeah.
individual people and stuff like that?
Yeah.
So
We're penguins.
an officer that pops up, it basically shows our functions on the team. Functions.
If someone subscribes to your website, what do they get?
They get emails whenever we update our website, like such as our engineering journal. You would get updates on those.
Who updates the website?
I do.
She
Both of
does.
us do.
Yeah.
I do the general. She does update on the maintenance of the website.
So I have some questions.
Yes, sir.
What's the square thing on the drone over there?
On your picture here.
Yeah. What's this square? Is that just like the shape of it? Is there something?
Yeah, that's
Or
those are
is-
like the side bumpers. This is like just
Okay, then are these solid? Does this go all the way through, or is this hollow right here?
that's solid.
Okay, so is this open here in the middle?
No, that's the main house.
Okay, so is this like plastic and this foam or something?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes more sense. Got it. Alright, so one reason people don't use LiDAR right now is that no one's figured out how to make it small enough and not power hungry enough to do that. That's not definitely my field, but I just wanna let you guys know that. But if you solve that, we'll pay you much money to give us this
Many
solution.
much money, yes.
That's what we need.
So, your guys' plan is to actually use the drones to mine things?
Like
no.
wing mine.
No, more like
Like-
recon. Like,
Recon.
it goes
Yeah,
into a
scouting.
mine, and like, instead of using a cannery, like, for detecting.
So it is-
toxic gases,
Canary.
Yes, just looking for things, right?
Gases and minerals.
detecting gases.
So the goal was 3D, the goal basically was 3D mapping and